So here children, we are into profit and loss, and profit and loss, there is one simple concept or fundamental concept, that always if there is cost price and selling price, always find out the cost price of the same quantity and SP of the same quantity, then you can easily solve the problems. Now here it is given, Hari bought 20 kg of rice and at 36 per kg and 25 kg of rice at 32 per kg. That means he bought two varieties of rice. So the cost price of 20 kg of rice will be equal to at a rate 36. So that will be 20 kg at the rate rupees 36 per kg, isn't it? So I am writing in a little short form. So this will be 720 rupees. Alright, so one variety will cost him 720 rupees, and then the CP1 and the CP2, let us see, he is having 25 kg at 32 per kg. So 25 to multiplied by 32. So put it half, 16, then again half, 8, and put double 0. So that means in short 800 rupees. So the two varieties of rice total cost will be 720 plus 800, that means CP1 plus CP2, that is net CP will be equal to, CP net will be equal to 1520 rupees. Now he has got that, he mixed it. So 25 kg plus 20 kg, now he has got 45 kg of the mixed variety, and he sold it at 45 kg. So now I am writing SP. He sold it at a rate of 45 into what is the rate? 38 per kg. So if I multiply it, it will be rupees 1710. But let us see once more. Let us see how much is it. 1710. 45 into 8. 36 zeros. So 36 will be there, and 45 into 3 is 135 plus 36, 135 plus 36. So yeah, so it is 1710. So now SP, so his profit will be 1710 minus 1520. So 0. Now this is how much? Let us see. This will be how much? Let us see. 11 minus 2, 9. This is 6. So it will be 190. So 190 is the profit. So what is the profit percent? So profit percent will be how much? Profit percent will be profit by CP into 100. Now this 0 and this 0 cancel. 19 8 za, let us see, 19 8 za, 19 8 za. So 162, 19 8 za, how much is there? 152. So 150. So 19 8 za. So now what will happen? Let us see. 8 1 za. Then I am getting 2. So 8 to the 16. So that is 12.5%. So this is the first question, and don't mind about my calculation, because sometimes I try some faster method, but sometimes it backfires. So it's okay. Now let us see. We go for the second question. As I said, find out the CP and the SP of the same quantity. So here a clever shopkeeper, or to add flavor, a shopkeeper, he brings coffee at rupees 250 per kg, and he mixes it with chicory, they call it, costing rupees 75 per kg, and the ratio is 5:2, and then he sells the mixture at rupees 230 per kg. So let us keep it simple. Suppose he bought 5:2, that means 7 kg. So CP of 7 kg of both the same things will be what? Net CP will be 5 kg of coffee at 250 plus 2 kg of chicory at 75. So this is 1250 plus 150 is equal to rupees 1400. This is what he bought, and then he sold it at rupees 230 per kg. So the rest of the 7 kg he sold. So 7 3s are 21 to let us see, 1610. That means his profit is how much? His profit is 1610 minus 1400, that is equal to 210. So now profit percent is easy, children. Profit percent will be profit by CP into 100. Now this will, the 0 goes out, then this is 7 3s and 7 2s are 20. Now this 0 goes and this is 2 5s. So that means his profit is 15%. So pause and see how I've done. Now next we move to the next question. That is the third question. Let us see. Now here what is happening, have a look. If SP of 16 bottles is equal to CP of 17 bottles, so let the SP of 16 bottles be, let the SP of 16 bottles be, what we do is SP of 16 bottle be 16x. Alright, let us put it this way. SP of 16 bottle is 16x. So SP of one bottle will be, SP of one bottle will be 16x by 6. So that is x, no? So we go this way. Now we go to the CP, but CP of 17 bottle is equal to SP of 16 bottles. So I can write like, then this implies that CP of 17 bottles will be equal to SP of 16 bottle, which is equal to 16x. So CP of one bottle will be equal to how much? 16x divided by 17. This is CP of one bottle. CP of one bottle. Alright. So CP of one bottle will be how much? 16x by 17. Alright. So we got this. So now I have got SP of one bottle and I have got CP of one bottle. Now the fellow is having profit. So profit is equal to what? SP minus CP. So profit is equal to SP minus CP. So this will be 17x minus 16x. 17x minus 16x by 17. So I am getting profit is equal to x by 17. So the simple formula which I used is 1 CP of one bottle and SP of one bottle. Now just the formula to be put. Profit percent is what? CP, that's what is the CP? CP of one bottle, profit on one bottle divided by CP of one bottle. CP of one bottle is 16 by 17x, isn't it? And into 100. Now 17 cancelled, x cancelled. So 100 by 16 is how much? 6.25, that is 61 by 4. So have a nice look on this. Check what I have done. I have got SP of, it was given SP of 16 bottles is equal to CP of 17 bottles. So what I do, I assumed let the SP of 16 bottle will be 16x. So SP of one bottle will be how much? 16x by 16, that is x. So एक बॉटल का SP मिल गया और 17 बॉटल का जो CP है वो 16 बॉटल के SP के बराबर है. तो 16 बॉटल के SP के तो हम 16x माने हैं सेलिंग प्राइस. तो अब कॉस्ट प्राइस ऑफ 17 बॉटल इज इक्वल टू सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 16 बॉटल. तो 17 का कॉस्ट प्राइस 16x है, तो एक का कॉस्ट प्राइस क्या होगा? 16x by 17. अब प्रॉफिट कैसे निकालते हैं? SP माइनस CP. तो एक बॉटल का हमको प्रॉफिट मिल गया, एक बॉटल का हमको CP भी मालूम है, फार्मूला में डाल दिए. सेम चीज़ वो फोर्थ क्वेश्चन ऑरेंजेस वाला में भी करेंगे. एक का CP निकाल लेंगे और एक का SP निकाल देंगे, सवाल बन जाएगा. लेट अस सी. यहाँ पर क्या है? Oranges are bought 6 for 20. That means CP will be of one orange. Orange will be equal to 6 by 20 rupees में 6. That means 20 by 6. So it is how much? Rupees 10 by 3. एक ऑरेंज का CP निकल गया. एक ऑरेंज का SP निकालने के लिए SP of one orange will be how much? पता लगाया जाए. तो हम लोग बेच रहे हैं 4 ऑरेंज को 18 रुपये में. तो एक ऑरेंज को कितना बेचेंगे? 18 by 4 यानी 9 by 2 रुपीज़. अब देखिए ये जो है ख़रीद रहे हैं 3 रुपये के आसपास और बेच रहे हैं 4.5 रुपये के आसपास. तो हमें फ़ायदा है. तो प्रॉफिट विल बी हाउ मच? प्रॉफिट ऑन 1 ऑरेंज निकाल लेते हैं. प्रॉफिट विल बी हाउ मच, 9/2 माइनस 10/3. एलसीएम 6 आ गया, 2 3 एलसीएम 2 आ गया, यानी हमको आ गया हाउ मच, 7/6 रुपीज़ प्रॉफिट है. तो प्रॉफिट परसेंट क्या हो जाएगा भाई, प्रॉफिट परसेंट लेट अस सी. प्रॉफिट 7/6 by CP, how much is it, 10/3 into 100. now ये कैसे बनेगा, let us see. 7/6, let me use this space. 7/6 into 3/10 into 100. now what will happen, 3 2s are 0 0 कट गया, 2 5s are, यानी 7 5 से कितना आ गया, 35%. 35% is the profit. Thank you.